Hi friends, my name is Archana Rao. I'm a special educator, worked for about 20 years with children with different disabilities. This has given me an opportunity to understand children a little bit more closer and understand why learning is fun for them and how we can make it fun. Wow, that's bold. Hi, wondering what I'm doing? I'm using this new pen pencil in my hand. कहाँ से मिला? बच्चे के बॉक्स से आज चुपके से ले लिया मैंने. 2 दिन पहले he got this as a birthday return gift. And yesterday, this boy comes and shows me his notebook where his teacher has written a remark saying excellent handwriting. My son, an excellent handwriting. For a story. I was wondering how did he manage to do that? Now I know the secret. Because my little fellow was sitting in one place for almost an hour, thinking and imagining and writing the story using this wonderful pen pencil created by Camlin Kokuyo. And you know what? इस बंदर की ना आदत है बार बार जाके शार्पन करना और वो उसके लिए उठा भी नहीं. He was so concentrated and the story was so good and that remark, beautiful handwriting, बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के. What I have here is a Camlin Exam 2 NN pencil. It's a mechanical pencil with a bold lead. So what are the qualities of this pencil? It's bold, it's smooth, and it's very easy on the hand. And this pencil is very simple, very lightweight. If you see the design of this pencil, it's got a gripper which facilitates students to hold comfortably for a long duration of time while writing, because writing puts a lot of pressure on the hand. This lead which is inside, which is a 4B, is equivalent to any wooden pencil, but the best part about this pencil is environmental free. So there's no wastage of wood, no cutting of trees. And yes, this does also have the facility to sharpen. So you take out the, knob from behind and a little bit of turning of the lead and there you go. It's sharp again. So what you generally would do in a regular pencil is sharpening of wood and creating sawdust. That waste is prevented here. So here the students are comfortable to draw. They are comfortable to sketch. They're also comfortable to shade. And that thickness gives them the flexibility. This pencil comes with a refill pack of lead of 4B, which again allows students to continue their writing without any breakage of activity. I would highly recommend this pencil for those students who have hand pressure problems, which will allow the student to write comfortably without putting a lot of pressure on their pincer grasp. Great to use. So this is the secret of that masterpiece. I'm going to take one for myself too.